got our Mother's Day limited edition coffee, which we're brewing today. It is a single origin from the Wenzari Mountains in Uganda. It's a medium roast, and we've decided to brew it in a cafetiere. We've got our ratio, so we're using a 1:20 ratio, so 1 part coffee to 20 parts water. This particular coffee, as I said, is a medium roast. It is really smooth, really balanced, like a nice brown sugar style sweetness, so really crisp brown sugar, balanced with the acidity similar to kind of blackberries or blackcurrant. So really nice black forest gatto style sweetness and acidity. So just pouring the water onto our cafetiere, making sure that we get all of the coffee grounds wet. We're using our 2-2-2 rule for a cafetiere. So this is where 2 minutes in, we will take the lid off the cafetiere and give it a stir. So the reason for putting the lid on the cafetiere is to keep it nice and warm, so you don't lose all of that heat. And after the 2 minutes, we will grab a spoon and we will stir the cafetiere just to agitate the grounds and make sure that all of them are being brewed precisely and exactly. So this is produced by a company called Agri-Evolve Association, which is an organisation in Uganda that works with a lot of small farmers, a lot of smallholders, because it's a profit for produce organisation, which is where basically they want to teach the farmers how to look after their crop better. So the Agri-Evolve Association look after the farmers. They make sure they learn about new ways to look after their coffee, new ways to harvest, and everyone wins that way. So they learn, they sell better coffee to the association and to roasters like us, and then they also mean that they can put that money towards better living conditions for them and their families. The organisation recently put together or built a really big production facility within Uganda, which has just opened up the opportunity for farmers massively. So they're really all about the greater good. So we're just pushing down the cafetiere. This then separates the grounds from the water, so it uses the metal filter inside to make sure that you don't get any in your cup. But after this, we will leave it for another 2 minutes. This ensures that any of the grounds that are still within the liquid can all kind of naturally settle down to the bottom of the cafetiere, so you don't get them in your cup. Okay, so then we're going to pour. As I said, this is a medium roast. It's really smooth, really sweet. I wouldn't always choose a light roast with lots of acidity, and this is not a light roast with lots of acidity. It's a medium, so it does have some nice acidity, but it's naturally really sweet, really crisp, like a Sunday morning, easy drinking kind of coffee with a nice twist. Cheers.